All right, earlier we showed you our basic disarm from the front, get out of line of fire and catch. I want to show you something with that one same move. We have other things which you're going to see in other lessons that are going to be different depending on the environment, but I want to show you gun from the front. You recall, we come out, take it down in this position. Now let's say the gun is now, he's at my side and it's right here. Easy, I'll give you whatever you want. Again, disarm them, get their mind thinking, listening to you, what you're doing. Just as if I'm flicking my ear here, my arm is going to come up. At the same time, I'm taking a diagonal step. Again, taking myself out of the line of fire. I'm coming and getting it the exact same way if I was to the front. Okay? So, one, I'm out of line of fire, gun goes off here. The rest is same. You've done it. Okay, if you've done the disarm from the front, you've done this, just now it's at the side. Let's do it one more time. Gun is here. One, come underneath. Two, hit, doom, whatever you choose to do at this point. Now, I'm going to put Alex over here. Gun is at the right side of my head. Right hand hold. Okay? Tell me what's different than what I did before, beside for the step. Nothing. Okay? Nothing. I'm coming here, head out of line of fire. This comes up underneath. I take it, kick, boom, whatever I choose to do. So the same move from the front, side, and back can be employed. Now we have other things in the other lesson. Gun is here, one hand, take away. Other side, take it away, one hand or two hands. Those things you're going to learn in other lessons. But if you have that one move down, you see you've got coverage 180 degrees, the gun held front to both sides. One more time slowly. Redirect, underneath, take it. This side, Alex. Only difference, actually, you know what, let me have you right about here so they can see. There we go. Again, I'm going to get out of the line of fire. I've stepped out. I'm still close to him. If he starts to pull back, I still can stay with him. But from here, disarm, hit, kick, and work from here. Okay?